If you're new to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and remember to click the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads throughout the week. Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So today I was going to do an art journal page project. However, some things that come up recently that I would like to kind of comment about and kind of address and help where I can. Now, recently YouTube have made some changes to the way that they handle our YouTube channels, and a lot of YouTubers or small channels that have only just got started, particularly the arts and the crafts ones, have received notifications from YouTube that they're going to demonetize their channels if they have less than 1,000 subscribers or have had less than 4,000 hours worth of views in the last 12 months. Now, that doesn't affect me in the slightest. I've got 12,500 subscribers and I'm well into my hundreds of thousands of view hours for the past year. That's just one of the things that happens when you've been doing it for quite some time. So I've got 12,500 subscribers, so this doesn't affect me whatsoever. However, it does affect a lot of the subscribers to my channel. So some of the smaller people, or not smaller people, but some of the artists that are starting out on YouTube are going to be losing that kind of slow build-up of revenue. Now, I know when you're first starting a YouTube channel, it's not a lot, but it's not necessarily about the money. It's more about the recognition. It's more about the encouragement that you get from seeing your subscriber numbers rise, and also seeing the number of hours that people are watching your videos rise. Now, to have YouTube take away something from that achievement, I think is not good at all. And I've seen some of the comments from the larger YouTube channels, arts and crafts YouTube channels, some with over 100,000 subscribers, and in some cases over 300,000 subscribers, who have been kind of dismissive over this entire demonetization thing for the smaller channels. And I think, you know, that to not be supportive and to give encouragement to the smaller channels, to encourage them to increase their subscriber numbers, or try to increase their subscriber numbers and make better content, upload more videos to get those watch time hours in there, because the more you upload, the more subscribers you will get. I've been there. I remember how I felt when I got my first 500 subscribers. I was completely over the moon, and that spurred me on to do better videos, to create better videos, to invest in lighting, to buy the right software, to that kind of stuff, to build and build and build. And for some of those larger YouTube channels to be really dismissive of that, I think is very sad, very, very sad indeed. And one of those big YouTube channels, I'm not going to name any names, actually was quite dismissive about the amount of revenue that smaller channels get, saying that the revenue that she got from her YouTube channel didn't pay any bills. Well, I know how much revenue I get on 12,500 subscribers, and this particular person had over 100,000 subscribers. So I can pretty much do the maths and scale up what I get based on those 12.5 to what she gets. And if she can't pay any bills on that revenue, then she's got bigger fish to fry, trust me. But if it's not about the money for her, then she shouldn't be monetizing her videos anyway. So I think that's kind of a disingenuous thing for her to say. I don't agree with what she said, and I'm going to do my best to try and support and help those smaller channels, encourage them to continue rather than be discouraged by what YouTube have done. I want to encourage them and to say to them, you know, not all is lost. If you continue to upload videos, if you continue to ask people to subscribe to your videos, they will subscribe. The more videos you put up there, the better quality videos you create, your YouTube subscriber numbers will rise, as will your view count on those hours too. So what can I do to help those smaller channels reach that goal of 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours view, to get past that mark? How can I help them? Well, the only way that I can help them is by telling you, my subscribers, the people who watch my videos, what's going on in the YouTube world that could be affecting the people that you also watch, because I know that you guys don't just watch me, you watch loads of other people, and some of those people will be very discouraged and think, why am I bothering, and may stop creating videos altogether, which I think would be extremely sad, because I love the diversity of the projects, the people, and all that kind of stuff that make YouTube great, particularly within the arts and crafts community. And I think we should stick together. So what I've done, or what a lot of us are doing, those of us that can, is there is a list in the description area below this video to those people that we have either identified themselves, have held their hand up and said, look, this is happening to me. There's a list of their names and YouTube channels. Please visit some of them, watch some of their videos, and if you like the content, please subscribe to them, because if they don't reach that 1,000 by the end of, well, I think it's the 20th of February, YouTube have given them that deadline of the 20th of February. If they don't reach that deadline, then they're going to lose that functionality of being able to monetize their videos, which in turn will just discourage people from creating altogether and putting videos up there, which we don't want to happen. So please go through that list, watch some of those videos, and please subscribe to as many of those channels as you possibly can do. I know it's not always possible to subscribe to everybody, but please just subscribe to some and help those out that really need it to get past that 1,000. So anyway, that's really all I wanted to say for today. I'm going to do everything I possibly can to support those smaller channels, to help them keep on going, to encourage them to create bigger and better videos, and to help them get there to that goal. I've just had a quick thought. If you're one of those people that is at threat or at risk of losing your monetization and your channel is not on that list, please feel free to add your channel name and a link to your channel in the comments section, so that people reading the comments can also see that you're in need too, and maybe visit and subscribe to you too. So thank you. Thank you for listening. And like I said, the list of those people that have raised their hand up, or we've been identified as being at threat, are in the description area below. Please visit, please thumbs up, please subscribe, and please watch some of the videos. That's all from me for now. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Bye for now. I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.